with the season of coughing and sneezing upon us, most people might be focused on protecting themselves, maybe from flu, COVID. But there's one more thing that you need to be aware of, and that is whooping cough. 2 News Oklahoma's Amanda Slee has a look at the signs and symptoms that we all need to know about. Amanda.
Justin, whooping cough is a highly contagious respiratory tract infection. It's a disease that mainly affects children who have not yet completed a vaccination series and adults whose immunity has faded. It's mainly known for causing a severe cough that has barking or whooping type sounds, but it can also come with a runny nose, congestion, fever, and watery or red eyes. A pulmonary disease specialist who's working to bring awareness to whooping cough says the cough can be so violent that it can lead to vomiting, broken ribs, passing out, and even hospitalization. Dr. Milan Hahn tells us this is the time to be aware of this, since late summer into fall is the prime season for this disease.
It's also flu season. So when people are thinking about getting these fall vaccinations, flu, for instance, there's also the Omicron COVID booster that's out now. They need to add pertussis to the list of those vaccinations.
Dr. Hahn says adults make up the majority of cases because they forget to get boosters and their immunity starts to wear off. She urges adults to get the whooping cough booster shot every 10 years. Dr. Hahn also says you can get the flu, COVID, and whooping cough vaccines all at once. In the studio, Amanda Slee, 2 News Oklahoma.